Eco printers who upcycle garments. You may be wondering whether to remove any labels on them before you print, or if you're planning on selling the pieces afterwards. So, my advice is leave the labels on if you're intending on selling the pieces afterwards, and only buy good quality garments. So, I always explain to people that I have not made these garments myself. I have upcycled them, and they can see that original maker's label. Now, the only time that I might take one off would be if for some reason it was a very, very bright color, say a strong red or a turquoise, and I felt that the dye in the label, if it was not a woven label, if I felt that the dye in that label might actually leach out and damage my printing, cause color and staining on my fabric. In that case, I might be tempted to take it out. But I would say this has only happened twice in all my years eco printing. So I recommend you leave the labels in. If you are selling the garments afterwards, you make sure that people understand that you bought them, they were pre-loved, and that you then upcycle them. So have fun eco printing your garments, transforming them for future use.